front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security over here, right under Accessibility. Then scroll again and quick disclaimer. If you don't have screen lock, you won't be able to add your face data. So make sure you have one, or if you don't, hit screen lock here, pick one of those login methods and set it up. Then choose Face and Fingerprint Unlock, enter your login method and hit Face Unlock section to tap on More at the bottom right corner. Read all of those informations and when you're ready, hit I agree. Now after tapping on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!